everything is going good, and then we'll move to today's topic. Okay. Roshan is giving thumbs up. Priyadarshini, Kushi. Okay. Mansi, you have any question? You can write in chat box if you have. Devanchi. Okay. All right. Mansi, if you have any question, you can write in chat box. Okay. Okay, one more things. We are, as I told you, that we are already complete with month one's all the things that's required for the project. So I think the project is going to reviewed in between 25th to 27th. Okay, so make sure you are prepared with project. So I told you that it's a weekly basis thing, so you have to do every requirement in every weeks. Okay, so I hope right now we are trending in like week 4. So I hope you guys are prepared with the project. Okay, project one एक्सेल और पावर बीआई में करना है और only excel. You can do in power BI. Okay, it will be okay, accepted. Okay, Astik is asking, yeah, it's be going in between 25 to 27. Be prepared. Today is Thursday. You have time within tomorrow. I hope you guys are completing. So within 25 to 27, any time going be reviewed. Sir, what will be the timing? So timing will be same. I think if it Saturday, Sunday, then I'll review it early. Okay. If I have time, I'll tell you. But make sure it's within uh, um, any like after 6. Okay. After 6, we will try to review it. Uh, that's the scenario. And the process is like I'll call the name. Sir, how the process will be reviewed? Sir, how the review process will happen? Do you need any prepare PPT or describe the things? So whatever you did for this, create a report. Okay, report is required. Like कैसे present करना है. Okay, so as I earlier told you that it's a group project, or else you can do it in individually. It's totally depend upon you, but we as a management share with you guys as some PDF where you can see your colleagues name with whom you are working. So we don't have that much time. We have a lots of project have to be reviewed. So I'll giving you 5 minutes to explain your things, so there you can simply Supriya, please mute. If you have any question, there will be, or else please mute. Okay. Sir, will the review will be according to teams? Yeah. See, uh, in today I'll tell you that let's suppose our meeting is scheduled in between 7 to 9 to 10. Okay. So make sure everyone is present in the particular time frame. If 8 to 9, if we need more time, we'll do, or else we'll schedule in the next session. But no one tell me that, sir, take my review earlier. It is not possible. You have to be present till like 8 to 9. Okay. And uh, I ask the pupil name 1 2 time. If you not there, then I'll directly mark you absent. If management tell me to review, like if they are giving opportunity, then only I give you the opportunity. But it's your responsibility to present on time. I hope you guys understand. If anyone missed, it's totally your problem. If you have some personal issue, you can mail them, then only they schedule. But my humble request to everyone that be present on particular time. Then you can share your screen and explain whatever you did. According this, we'll review your project. Nothing hard it is. I hope it's clear. A presentation in which language, English or Hindi? So we'll giving weightage to English, like whatever you are performing, make sure you are explaining in English. If you are weak in English, you can explain in Hindi also. But all the reports are in Hindi, sorry, in English. Everything in English. If you are have fear in English, then you can do it Hindi. I'll accept. Niharika, sir, what is the exact process of the uh, re- pre- uh, represent, like what the other than the project have to do? So our expectation is what's the requirement is given to you. You are follow each and everything. That's why I give. That's why after giving the company requirement, I break down it and I share with you guys with a PDF. There I'll come with example and divide the thing so that you can do it better way. So. Our expectation is achieve all the requirement which is given by company, make it best. If everyone claiming that I am the best, it's not possible. After seeing, you can understand that whose project is better or best. So those folks only getting, these people are getting only deserved. Okay, not everyone. And make sure after this you are creating the project, like report you have to do summarize things. If you are using any image or graph, so you can add there, it's giving you the benefit. I hope it's clear, Niharika. Now coming to Divanchi question, sir, a leader will be present the project or all the team member. So see.
Uh,
Okay, so I am answering Divanshi's question. Divangshi, okay. Uh, so all the people are contributing into the project. So if you like divide that, it's your turn, it's my turn, it's her turn, its turn. So you can divide like in which portion you are contributing one by one. You can explain so that I can understand that these people are contribute that much portion into the project. Okay, so not the leader's responsibility. It is whoever is doing the project, they can come and unmute themselves and speak what he did in this project. Okay, clear? Okay, next question is week-wise report or else full. So regarding week, I'll tell you that I'm expecting that whatever we are doing, so whenever you are creating the report, so like you are doing weekly basis. And regarding report is not for weekly basis. You can create the full report, but why I'm talking about the weekly, because it's a consistent process. It's not be like overnight. If anyone do in overnight, I'll caught them after seeing this, don't worry. But if you are doing a weekly basis, it will be getting benefited, like I can see and understand. I hope you guys understand what I try to say. Niharika, do you need to prepare a PPT? Yes, you have to prepare a report after end of the things. Visual, we have to only present dashboard or only PPT also. I'm not making to like I'm not tell to make anything name. So whatever project you prepared, first explain the things. Share your screen and explain the things that what you are did. And at the end, any one of your team member, you can share their screen and showcase your report. That whatever you did, you just simply summarize the things. Okay, sir, we'll work on the same data set but individually. So we are going to present on full project one by one. You can use like not taking everyone like A, B, C, D, four people are working as a team. So they can use a data set, but make sure that whichever is available in internet easily. So don't pull this kind of data. Try to be little bit unique so that you can present a little bit unique kind of things. So let's suppose everyone, I know you guys are copying from Blinkit, this kind of things. I know the resources, but try to add some yours point of view, what you think you can add this kind of thoughts, your visualization, so it looks better. Try to add some masala by your own. Okay. Now coming to Srishti's question, sir, in this presentation time we can share the screen pro in this presentation time can share. Okay, so I'm giving each person like if you are explaining by your own whole the project, then I'll giving you 5 minutes to explain. If you are like explaining as a team, like four people you have and you are explaining, so each person can come take 3 to 4 minutes. As early you can explain and end. Okay, one by one, like 3 4 minutes for four people, like it can take 10 to 12 minutes. Sir, individual dashboard or four dashboard have to team. So if you are working on a team, so some people are contributing like one people. Let's suppose A, B, C, D people in this responsibility to create a dashboard. So D, if D is creating, it's okay. But make sure that you are like whatever you are telling and explaining on the basis of this, I'll giving you the marks. So make sure whenever you are presenting your screen and you are explaining your work, make sure do your best to explain within 3 4 minutes. Don't start to say the story all the things. So make it very crispy so that I can understand and yours and ours time will be saved. Okay, clear. I answer all the people who's is writing in chat box. If everything's okay regarding the question, then gives a thumbs up so that I can understand. I answer all the people's questions. One more question is coming. Jayasri sir, can I just share the screen and explain all the project? Yes, this thing you have to do, and at the end you have to showcase your report also. So in PPT or report, you can do all the summarized things, not make like 10 to 12 page, just summarize into 2 3 page, add the main things and the visualization things, like if you add any picture or this kind of things, just a snap and paste it so that it's look crispy. Okay. I hope you understand. Now, sir, we can share from mobile or it's necessary to come. So it's better if you come with laptop. It's better. Okay, sir. Without doing PPT, is that FYN? What it is? So you have to come with your project and report both. Sir, we can share project and report both. Yes, you have to share both. So earlier I explained whatever is the project requirement, check the company's requirement. I whatever I share with you guys, like I break down all the things for you guys so that you can easily work on the basis of the weekly. Sir, when will the review process take place? Like you are asking the timing. So date and timing, I don't know. Just I can assure you that the review will be going in between 25th to 27th. Be prepared on it. Time might be same time in after 6 p.m. it will be happening. Sir, can you repeat the final project requirement? So, Divya, right now you completed your all the curriculums like month one, month two, month three, all the things. Divya, you can unmute yourself. Okay, Divya is not talking. Niharika, is it required? Is it request to please share the date and timing, 1 or 2 hour before? Yeah, definitely. Whenever is project review scheduled, I think you guys are getting a message 24 hour before. Jayashree, can you say share the list of the people? It's already shared with you guys. I think management is sent, like with whom you have to work. Sir, it not take place between because some reason. So don't worry, the project review is conducted after 6. Okay. Like most probably it will be happening to 8 to 9 or 9 to 10 on the basis of the time. Like we have to check the time slot. But I know you have college, you have some work. That's why all the session is scheduled in between 6 to 10. We are giving preferential time. I have also my office and the work. That's why I'll conduct a session in 9 to 10. Okay. Any more question? I hope I answer all the pupils' question. Jasri, I already repeated 7 to 8 times that you have to come with your project and report. Why you are asking me? I'm tired to answering. Uh, Suhan is asking, we are not yet complete the project one. We are still working on it. So work on it. It's okay, fine, but the review will be conducted within 25th to 27 because I told you that it's a consistent process. You have to work like every week so that you can easily complete it. In previous class, I already completed with whatever is required for you. In today's class, I just recap all the things earlier I discussed and answering your question. Right now, it's your responsibility how you can complete it. However, PPT and report both are required. Yeah, both are required. See, those who are presenting, like everyone is doing the project, but some people are only selected for the final. Like, not everyone is eligible for the things. So make sure from here I'll tell you that whatever you are creating, do your best. That whenever is reviewing on conducted, you can see this whose work is best. They only getting the full, getting good marks. Not everyone. So make sure you are the best. It's your responsibility. Um, Report may, sir, basically summary we have to tell. Yeah, correct. Summary, and if you have is like usual doing some dashboard things, any visualization things, paste some picture so it looks more crispy. Yeah, you have to make PPT also or report. PPT or else PDF, whatever suits you, you can do. Sir, Viva voice will be, sir, Viva voice will be, means Viva, VOC, voice. Can you commit, write once again it? See, regarding question, I hope you guys understand that within 1 hour to like 1 hour, I can extend if I have time. I can extend to 15 to 20 minutes more. But within this time, not possible to ask you guys particular question. But there is a separate marks for Viva also, I think, regarding project 40 to 45 and regarding Viva is 5 to 10. Okay. I don't know exact the marks, but whenever you are explaining the things, make sure you are explaining everything. I'll check in which way you are explaining the thought, like explaining your project. On the basis of it, I'll mark on vibas also. If I start to ask you guys individually questions, so it take more time. So everything depends on your hand, in like which way you are explaining. On the basis of it, I will mark. Not only me, after reviewing this, management also check the developer, those who are sitting back end, the management team, everyone is there to review and marking this. Okay. PPT or report, anyone is fine. PPT, that means the PowerPoint or like a report. In report, how you can create? You can create in Excel, like not Excel. In PPT, you can make. You can use it in Word, whatever suits you. You can make. All right. Any more question? Then we'll uh, proceed to sales dashboard case study. If you don't have, gives a thumbs up. Then we'll start the topic. Yeah, you can explain in a team also. We are giving preference to, like we're expecting to do in a, is a, as a team. It's a better approach. All right. Okay. So now, just I want to confirmation from you guys that I already completed everything what regarding month one. Regarding this, you have any doubt or concern that, sir, I'm not completing the things? If you are agree with me, gives a thumbs up. I already complete how you can handle data analytics in Excel, how you can handle data cleaning in Excel, pivot table. Then I'll come into visualization. In visualization, I'll taught the ETAs, pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib visualization things. Next, I teach earlier Power BI things, how you can upload your data. I told you what is the different type of portion, what's the uses of it. Next, I tell you guys the data modeling things, building different type of dashboard, how you can use filter, slicer. So this kind of things I told you earlierly in last class. Also, I told you how you can like 60% weightage is given to creating a dashboard. But how you can represent your dashboard in front of the senior management or stakeholder, it takes matter. That's why I taught you in which way you can explain your thoughts as a story. Okay. So this thing already I discussed in today's class. I'll mainly focusing. Let's suppose I'm picking any dashboard. So how you can check it as a case study. This thing I'll be focusing. One more question I'm getting, sir, the project review schedule this week or next week. I already told you that it's between 15 to 27. Okay. Now coming to today's now tell me like till the time where you are. I told everything, sir, how to present the project, how to represent the project report or Power BI. Power BI. Like, if you are like, sir, how to represent the project report of Power BI. So in there, what's the requirement is given. So you have to do the data cleaning. I'll check each and every step, like data cleaning. You are working with like if you are doing in Power BI. In Power BI, left side there is a portion. It shows like Excel. So I'm just checking there that are you guys doing the things? Are you added the KPI, whatever is given the requirement, I'll check all the things. And regarding report, in report, you summarize all the things, whatever you've done, and you can add some glimpse of your dashboard also, like visualization. If you have did anything, so add something so it looks better. Um, a PK dataset where the complicacy is there. Okay, Abhishek, I understand your thoughts. It might be possible, but make sure you are working with like critical dataset so that you guys are facing some problem and you can tell that these things. So whatever suits you, you can pick. So the full team should present in the project review. I'll call the name. Those who is present, I'm marking them present and marking accordingly. Those are not present directly. You are getting 0 marks. Sir, how to represent or work? So, see, whenever you are working with Power BI dashboard, so there you can add the in a chart format the KPI, whatever KPI is required. So you can do it. It's a better approach. Sir, I have downloaded from Kaggle, but there is no missing value. I don't clean everyone, okay, whatever suits you, you can do. Don't ask regarding data things, but make sure your project is be unique. That's all. Okay, now moving to today's topic, sir, marks allocation format. So see, as a team, you are performing. So I giving you everyone to explain in which portion you are contributing. Don't tell like who like any one pupil is not explaining. So I am expecting whoever is doing the project as a team, unmute yourself and come and explain whatever you did. On the basis of it, I am marking accordingly. Um, I see in which way you are representing. Check your work on the basis you will be marked. Let's suppose in a team, one pupil is getting higher marks, one pupil is getting a lower marks. There is a reason because in which way you are doing and explaining this is the not correct approach and you are doing mistake, then you will be getting less marks. And in the place in your teammates, they are doing better their portion, so they are getting good marks. So be sincere and work accordingly. Divyanshi, sir, one last question. When we will summarize the dashboard, we'll share screen on Power BI. or will explaining, taking snap or putting PPT. So see, if you are whenever you are doing dashboard and you are like sharing your screen and explaining the things in dashboard whatever you did, but whenever doing the PPT related like the report, so they are whatever you think or believe that in dashboard section this much portion is required, and this should be create a better impact if I add on PPT. So I leave it on you, on your wish and your understanding. You add or remove accordingly, Divyanshi. Yeah, not an issue. I explain all the things. Rest everything is your hand, how you are doing and explaining. All right. So now moving to today's things, which thing I think already told, but again I'll told you that you all guys are good in all the things. Okay, so I assume that you guys are create a good kind of dashboard. Now, I'll just guide you. Let's suppose you have some sales data set. Okay. So now, how you can do it proper case study. Okay. So, see, listen it very carefully. So the thing is, whenever you are working with any sales dashboard case study, so you have to make sure that you are like improving your data cleaning skill, analyzing skill, visualization things, and with business intelligence. So whenever you are doing something, that does not means someone is giving to you and you are doing this randomly. So think like that, what's the business requirement, and for the business requirement what you have to do, and after doing the things what will be created, how much things, like what impact it will be created. I hope you understand. You are not doing something without any reason. Like you are doing something with a specific reason and it's create a impact. So remember the things, it will be a tip for you. Okay. Now, coming into like, let's suppose you have some sales data set, and you have to understand first problem statement, that uh, what you have to do. Let's suppose something you have some companies like company want from you that you can analyze their historical sales data and you can identify some problem. So this kind, what type of problem they are identifying? So you can identify uh, top performing product, and you can identify the top performing product and in which region it are doing. So you can target these things. You can do sales trend over time, like it might be daily basis, monthly basis, yearly basis. So do these things. You can perform, you can like do the performance of the sales term. So you have to think that what I am doing, what's the purpose of it, and what it create a impact. Okay, so make sure these things. Okay. So I'm talking about the sales trends over time. That means how many sales actually are already done at daily basis, monthly basis, yearly basis, its performance of the sales. So this kind of things you have to sure. They want like they want that you are doing some interactive dashboard that can help the management to make the data driven decisions. Let's see, you whatever you made on the basis of on the basis of it, the management and the stakeholder take decision. Okay, so everything in your hand, whatever you did on the basis, they will review and take their decision. Okay, so this is the overall view. Now I'll step it down for you guys, like how you can understand the things. Okay, so first you have to understand the business requirement. That's this is the thing I tell you in number of time. Without understanding business requirement, there is nothing scope to improvement. So first you understand the requirement. Next, like what you do, you can you can understand that what KPI are the most important from my dashboard. You ask to by your own that which thing we can do, which thing we can add and we can do so that it looks better. Okay, so you can ask to yours that which KPI is important to import, like what the stakeholders is thinking after seeing my this, what's their goal, like might be they are looking into your dashboards, increasing revenue, identify decimal and region, this kind of things they are looking for. Okay, so just think you are getting your answer. And one more thing, that is who are the user of the dashboard. So whatever you are making, who is checking. So on the basis of that, you have to manage. Let's suppose some sales manager, some executive team are checking your dashboard. So on the basis of their need, you have to arrange, not making randomly. So whatever you are doing for this have some specific purpose. Okay, so first you are doing understanding the business requirement and you are adding these things. Next thing, you have to collect your data set, and there you use different real or sample data set. That means order ID if you have any product category, region, state, customer name, sales quantity. So I'm talking about sales, so that's why I'm giving the example related sales. So you have to collect the data set and you have to work accordingly. So these things you can do. Third things, you have to clean and you have to clean and prepare your data. That means if you feel something that there, you can use Power Query in Python on Pandas. If you need that, you need to convert the dates to proper format, you can do. If you need handle the missing or duplicate value, you can add, you can create new columns, yearly, monthly. So you can do whatever you need. You feel there is a gap, you can fill accordingly. Next, I'm talking about first KPI, but how you identify the key KPIs. Okay, so if there is something is coming, that total sales related thing, so how you understand? So there you have to use like sum of some revenue. If someone is talking about the total quantity, then you can do total unit sale. Total profit means you have to think like the what the net profit from the all the sales. Discount, that means average of the total discount. So this thing you have to understand by your own, like which thing is required for this, what I am doing. Okay. Next, I tell like you have to design your dashboard like professional. At least not. I'm not expecting from you guys, but your thought process is like you have to do best. Okay, so you can use Figma or PowerPoint for this. You can divide into the section KPI charts, filter. It will create a more impact. Okay, uh, after building the dashboard, you have to check that how you can do, like you can create some DAX measurement, you can add some visuals, you can work with filter, slicer, drill down. So it will be create a great impact. So this is the things from a stakeholder or who is reviewing your work, they are actually expecting. So right now you are in beginner mode. I hope every maximum people are from college and some people are working professional, but do your best. Not expecting right now some hi-fi things. From starting, we are learning. Do your best, and where you are struggling, I will guide you. Okay, that's the thing I can tell. Some question now I'm getting. Sir, mark allocation format, how many members should read? Answering already. Sir, marks allocation format and how many members? I already tell it, Prasant. So what I'm telling, this is the things about the sales dashboard or like sales dashboards case study. So I'm giving you the example earlier that how you can make it better and which portion you have to do more focus. Okay. So this is the thing. And one more thing I have to like whenever you are writing some data report, how you can like writing the data inside the report. So I am telling three four things. Follow this, it will be helpful for you. Okay. So, explain what the data actually says. Okay. Second thing, you can highlight like what I'm try to say. So you like what is the data inside the report. So you have to do some report now. So I'm explaining like you have to think like what the data say, what the meaning of the data. You can highlight the key finding, like after reviewing what you are finding, you are recommended some business action. You can use different type of visual to the support inside. You can do these things. So first thing, you have to structure a good data inside the report. From there you can title your page, like what title you want to tell. Next you can exclusive summarize the things. You can try to figure it out what's the purpose of your things. You can write this. You can do data overview, that means what you are doing, like source, how many rows, columns. You can use add the KPI, which I already told you. So make sure whatever you are doing, think once that what impact it's creating. Okay, that's all about it. Nothing, I don't want to complete the things. Niharika sir, do you need to open our camera while representing? No need right now, but if management is telling that you have to make a video on it and share, you can explain it later, create it later, and send them. I think whenever you are submitting the project, they are giving some link. Whatever they mention, just follow the procedure. That's all. And Prashant is again and again said that sir, marks allocation format, how many members should be speak. So I earlierly told it. So I giving you opportunity if you are doing in the team. So I can expect that which portion you are completed, you come and unmute yourself and try to explain it better way. So on the basis of it, I will review your project as well as Viva marks. So this is the simple fundamental things in the which path I follow. Anything, any more question? If you have, just tell me. Or else, if you are satisfied with the response and the answer and the all things, give a thumbs up so that I can understand that everything is okay and you guys are ready for the review. Okay, all the people are giving thumbs up. All right, it's a positive note for me. Okay, still we have 12 minutes. If you have anything, want to know anything, you can ask me. No, nothing. Uh, okay. Srishti, sorry, sir, sorry for asking the question. No, sorry. Whatever question you have, what is it is you can ask me. We can make project report PPT all. So see, two things I can expect from you. Like whatever you are doing in Power BI or somewhere EDA things. So make your whole project and create a small report of the glimpse of it what you are doing. Two things I'm expecting from you guys. Okay. And Sakshi is asking, sir, only Excel me dashboard create करे तो consider होगा for project review. Yes, you can do. If you are familiar with it, you can do. Yeah. Okay. Thank you all guys for attending today's session. If you don't have question, then I'll wind up the session over here. So is it fine to do the project in last minute? No, this kind of things is not expected from you guys. From the day one, I told you it's a continuous process, so I can expect you to do weekly basis. Okay, so it's a continuous process. How you can do it in overnight? It's not possible. So you are not serious about your work and project. That's why you are talking about this kind of things. All right, then if you don't question, if you have don't question, all right, then I'll wind up the session over here. Okay. Thank you guys for attending today's class. Okay, 61. Last question. In this report, can I mention the company profile? No, they are whatever you did. This thing we just want to know. Okay, you can summarize whatever you done in shortly. That's all. And any visualization picture, any snap you want to add, you can add. Okay. Thank you all.